Alright, so, I finished the cessna for now. I did a very rough tape job on it. The tape job looks terrible. I just kind of threw some blue stripes on it, and, some of this. I have two wooden carbon, fiber rods in the Depron wing. There are no ailerons. This is just gonna be just like a rudder, only plane. I did program, I have two elevator servos on it. I programmed them to be, to move as ailerons as well. I don't have hopes in that at all. The windows is just a little square. I really just threw it together so that I could get out to the field for a maiden flight. It's a T28 motor, on a 1800 milliamp Turnigy, 3-cell. And, it has an AR500 receiver in it. And, I'm powering it by my Spectrum DX6i radio. Don't worry, I'm probably going to redo this tape job at a later time because it is just hideous right now. I just had to do it so that I could get it in the air. To get out and do the maiden flight on it. I don't have wheels on it yet. I'm going to put those on. There's also the Bombay door I got to put in it. There's still work to be done, but I just had to get it out for a maiden. I did do glide tests, and the CG's about there-ish. A little farther back. It's really far back. It surprised me how far back it was. But it's EPP and Depron. Spectrum DX6i. So, let's get on to the maiden flight. Maiden flight! No! Nope, don't do that. No, I'm not gonna wreck this. Plenty of lift, Don. Ah. Wow, that's really fast. Why is it? What's why?
Did you scratch build that?
Yeah. Aileron? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna trim the elevator.
It looks like the wings are like really flimsy.
Snap on. Wow. That's the engine sound. What? I'm gonna play more. And it's the wild box.
Chill, Mom.
Too much rudder? Alright, it's cool. I'm gonna go back and...
What time is it, Mom?
Oh, Dad, can you get the radar gun? 10 minutes. Dad, can you get the radar gun? I want to see how fast you go.
Can I shut it off now?
Shut it off right now. Alright. 33. The wings are wobbling. Okay, they gotta do something to reinforce those. Charge battery you got me. That's 1800. 3-cell? 34? It's 3-cell. 34? That's faster than I thought. Whoa.
Can I please shut it off? This is so boring.
Boring?
Come on.
Second flight.
Wow! You can delete all the sounds, right?
No, I can't.
Oh, really?
Well, I can delete every single sound and turn it into music. That's really dumb music.
Yeah, can you do that, please? Because I feel like a pathetic idiot now. Hey, watch it. Are you going to bring it in for landing?
No. Yeah. Wow, it's that very nice. Dad, I think this is a successful plane, huh? And now I'm going to land it. But it's really nice. Kind of quiet. Bad luck. The Harriers. Sort of. Really bad. Oh no.
Good.